My name is Carrie Goose with Texas Roadhouse, and we've been a Trintech customer for 21 years now.
My name is Cheryl Levesque. I'm a partner at Forvis Mazars. I lead our performance and process improvement service vertical. And with that, I manage our relationship with Trintech. One of my favorite functionalities within Cadency relates to dynamic account maintenance, or what we like to call DAM. Dynamic account maintenance is really some advanced functionality within Cadency. It provides so many benefits to really lift a client's reconciliation process. It involves adding criteria within the Cadency tool. And based off that criteria, you can make changes to when you reconcile an account, the risk of the account. So there's a lot of options available.
So before dynamic account maintenance, really our recon owners could choose their own frequency. So there was no consistency in our balance sheet reconciliations. DAM brought us a formal, consistent set of rules in which we could apply to our business. The use of DAM has really reduced our reconciliations by 46%, which equates to about 1,100 recons on an annual basis. It saves our team anywhere from about 750 to 1,000 hours, and that's a DAM improvement. At Texas Roadhouse, we're really a people company that happens to serve steak. And so really with the introduction of DAM, we've seen significant time savings, and it allows our team members to work on other projects where they can add value to the business. The next steps in Texas Roadhouse's journey is really the JE module and figuring out how we can take our current manual process and really automate that end to end. We think it's going to be significant time savings, and we're really excited about the journey.